Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. Good afternoon everybody. Good afternoon Pesona Inspira. How are you today? Today is Monday, so it's time for us to practicing our English skill. And of course in I Can Speak.
Actually, it feels like we've been a long time since we met together, me and Valia.
Yeah.
Before this, just only me or only Valia who attend this kind of event.
Yeah. And finally we can
finally reunited.
Again. Wow.
After so many weeks.
Yeah, after so many weeks, and there is another sound here, which is it's our guest star and our co-host. Maybe you can introduce yourself, guys.
Okay, hi Pesona Inspira. My name's Ananda Nur Ahmadanti. I'm in the second semester of English Education Department, and here I am as a Nawasena member. I'm a head of class division.
Oh, you're head of class division.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Ria Dewi Slani. Just call me Ria. I'm student of English literature in second semester in University of Science Al-Quran Wonosobo. And in Nawasena, I'm in English class division.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're under
Nanda.
Yeah, my team.
Okay. I think I never see Ria before. Is it your first time?
It's really my first time.
How it feel for you? How it feel?
Actually, I'm really nervous.
Don't be.
Maybe before you go to this event, have you ever asked Nanda about how is it going? Is it going to be nervous or everything?
Yeah. And she always support me. You can do it. It's
because she can do it though. We'll never know.
But do you ever hear about I Can Speak before you coming here as a guest star?
Yes.
Do you have ever hear before?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Yeah.
So it's your first time.
Really first time.
Oh, belum pernah mendengarkan juga sebelumnya berarti.
Just watch in YouTube.
Oh, just watch in YouTube. Okay, it's okay. Oke, jadi pengalaman pertama tambah deg-degan banget ya, karena baru pertama kali juga. Oke, selanjutnya mungkin bisa mengenalkan diri.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Ridwan Widyo. You can call me Ridwan. I'm in fourth semester in Teknik Informatik major, and I'm so nervous.
That's fine.
That's fine. Everything's gonna be fine.
I can see how
nervous.
Starving.
Yeah,
his hands
shaking, bro.
Apa ya? I'm a photographer and YouTuber. Is it? Yeah, apalagi ya?
And a content planner also.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe he's a content planner.
Maybe,
he is.
Maybe we have to give him time to take a break, to making him more calm. Okay.
Yeah.
And before we gonna spill our topic today, maybe Iqbal can introduce about I Can Speak.
Yeah, actually this is a collaboration program with Fakultas Bahasa dan Sastra Universitas Sains Al-Quran, it's been so many episodes. We've been talking together. Actually, this is the space for everyone to learn about talking in English, listening an English conversation, or even everything about English. You can join with us, of course, through our LAN WhatsApp. Nomornya berapa? Saya lupa.
Di 082323839996. Jadi karena ini untuk belajar bahasa Inggris, artinya Pesona Inspira nggak harus lancar bahasa Inggrisnya. Boleh kayak Valia belepotan, boleh digabung bahasa Indonesia, boleh digabung bahasa Jawa.
Yes, exactly. You don't need to be fluent in English to join with us. You can join with us with any language that you can, Indonesian, Japanese language, or maybe asal jangan bahasa tubuh ya, karena kita nggak lihat.
Isyarat.
Jangan dong.
Even we don't fluent in English, but I wish this program can influence all people to increase their ability in English speaking. Of course, yes.
Back again to Ridwan.
Oke. Kayaknya sekarang udah nggak deg-degan ya, udah bisa ditanyain nih.
Iya, karena kita belum mengenal jauh ternyata soal Ridwan. Ridwan belum selesai tadi perkenalannya. Ini kalau dari tadi kan dari dua member ini perkenalannya ada statusnya mereka di Nawasena itu sebagai apa gitu. Nah, Ridwan ini sebagai apa ini?
My position in Nawasena is head division of content creation media gitu.
Oh, media nih.
Yeah.
Sebenarnya mirip sama kita, Valia. Kita juga kerjanya di media kan.
Bener. Jangan-jangan abis ini kamu ngelamar kerja ya?
Waduh.
Kalau ada nggak apa-apa sih.
Info locker.
Oh, ini modus ceritanya hari ini ya.
Bagus, boleh.
Oke, ini kira-kira hari ini kita mau ngobrolin apa nih? what's our topic today?
Our topic today is gonna introducing about what is Nawasena.
Yeah, of course,
Oh.
because we have already talking about Nawasena, tapi Valia juga nggak tahu tuh Nawasena apa, Pesona Inspira
Yes,
juga nggak
that's
tahu.
what
Mungkin
are we gonna talk about.
Oke, kita mau mengupas lebih dalam tentang Nawasena.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, for Pesona Inspira who watching us in YouTube, maybe Pesona Inspira can see us. There is what is it like a specific uniform?
Oh yeah.
Maybe you can
Niat.
Maybe you
But
can tell us.
actually, my clothes also have the same color like them.
Yeah,
It's a navy.
matches.
It's a navy.
Paling nggak mau keluar aja.
Aku baru mau bilang aku satu-satunya yang warnanya berbeda di sini. Iya, mungkin bisa spill dulu cerita sedikit kenapa seragamnya tuh seperti ini.
Kita we apa sih musyawarah gitu kan?
We discuss.
We discuss with all member and kita nggak mau apa sama dengan each other
yeah.
organization
Uh-huh.
and anyway, apa yang mempresentasikan our organization gitu.
yeah.
Jadi
What can present?
we choose Japan.
Japan.
Yeah.
Oke.
I mean, usually like other community will gonna use like some formal uniform. something
PDH.
like, ya, kayak yang aku pakai kayak
Yeah,
gini sekarang
yeah.
kan. They're gonna be making something like that as their uniform. So this quite interesting because you choose Japan as your apa ya? Mungkin sebagai
Yes.
statement pakaian kalian
Yeah.
juga gitu kan.
Oke, menarik. Kayaknya tapi sebelum ngobrolin lebih jauh soal Nawasena karena banyak nih ya pertanyaan seputar Nawasena, kita langsung ke lagu pembuka pertama dulu kali ya,
Yes,
Iqbal ya.
it's gonna be Meghan Trainor with T-Pain with Been Like This. Check.
Yes, 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. We coming back in I Can Speak program still with Valia and of course Iqbal and of course 3 guest announcer.
Yeah, we still gonna talking about Nawasena.
Ya, Nawasena.
Karena kita tadi baru ada di permukaannya aja nih.
Betul.
Karena ini merupakan beberapa orang yang ikut terlibat dalam UKM Nawasena ternyata, Valia.
Betul sekali. Ini it's my first time to hear about Nawasena. Maybe you can what is it like explain about Nawasena and why the team choose Nawasena as the title or as a name of group.
Okay, so Nawasena is one of student organization in University of Science Al-Quran Wonosobo, and it serves to organize like extracurricular activities related to languages such as foreign language learning. Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Okay, Nawasena has a meaning bright future.
Oh, bright
Yeah.
future.
future. Oh, oke. Itu sebenarnya kan kalau Nawasena itu kan bahasa Jawa ya.
Sansekerta.
Oh, bahasa Sanskerta artinya bright future.
Yeah.
Itu
Okay.
goals of your what is it like
Organizations, yeah.
Okay. And how many members in Nawasena?
Actually, for now, the member is 100.
For about
150.
100.
Around
Yeah.
150?
Yeah, around
Yeah.
150.
Yeah.
There's a lot actually.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes,
quite
yes.
a lot.
And
Yes.
how to join with the Nawasena? There is rules that have to be based for the rules. Mungkin maksudnya gini, apakah ada aturan yang aku harus patuhi dulu untuk bisa gabung sama Nawasena?
Actually, these days we haven't doing open recruitment, but we will hold it like soon after the new students orientation. And then we will have an open recruitment for them, and like for the requires maybe just we will have some steps, maybe like screening and
Right.
stuff. Yeah.
Okay. What do you do in screening? Do you what is it giving many question or maybe doing a testing?
Basically, it's like an interview. Ya, so kita pengurusnya gitu ya.
Yeah.
Kita pengurusnya mengadakan si screening ini itu untuk interview for like the new members to see what will they do if they get accepted with us.
Yeah.
Oke, jadi
oke.
spesifiknya ini adalah organisasi di luar mata kuliah, tapi
Iya.
masih di
Yes.
dalam lingkup FBS atau lingkup universitas.
Langsung
Lingkup
universitas.
Universitas.
Yeah.
Membawahi satu bahasa saja atau gimana?
has 14.
Four.
Sorry.
Four
Four
class divisions.
Division.
Okay, what is it? The language?
Yes, English,
English, Japan,
Korea,
Korean.
and
Korean.
Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm fluent in Arabic.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
I'm full too. I can say Alhamdulillah.
Min aina anta?
Aduh.
Anak
3 hari.
Pilah. Anak Wibiki Pilah ya kan. Oke, jadi Nawasena ini semacam UKM gitu ya yang
Yeah.
membawahi 3 bahasa.
Empat.
For
For now is
for
For now,
language.
four sih.
Four.
Yang wajib sebenarnya 2,
Yeah,
English sama
English and Arabic.
Arabic.
We
Oh.
prioritize that too.
Okay.
In the past, we have ada juga bahasa lain kayak France sama Turki.
Oh, Oke.
Cuma karena demand-nya.
Iya.
Oke. Padahal Iqbal mau gabung bahasa Mongol ya, Bang.
Enggak. Aku mau gabung permadani bahasa Jawa.
Ya, waduh, boleh.
But actually it's quite interesting because all of you guys try to introduce foreign language to the college student. I mean like we all must be know that all of the people only concerned in Unsik especially only concerned about English and Arabic language. But you guys also try to introduce them about Japanese and Korean. How can you choose that language to join the Nawasena like? I mean like after all the things.
Maybe maybe it's quite difficult to explain, but like as we see a lot of students loving Japanese and Korean culture.
Okay.
For Korean maybe like K-pop stuff,
Yeah.
right? And like Japanese there's a lot of wibu out there. Yeah, they need to be gathered. Yang kayak suka budaya-budayanya
Iya, benar,
gitu
benar,
kayak
benar.
otomatis kayak I think when we love a culture we would love to learn the language also.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Between English, Korea, and Japanese, what is the most favorite?
English, of
English,
course.
of
Of course.
Padahal Valia suka banget sama Korea.
Same.
I mean,
yeah.
to learn Korean language, it's a bit hard, right? Not just like English. I mean, we need to
Yeah,
know
yeah.
about
Yeah.
the word, the
Hangul.
letter.
Hangul, ya, Hangul.
Iya
Yeah.
kan?
Kanji.
Kanji, katakana, haragana, lalala gitu kan.
Okay. For Nawasena, when I have what is it? When I fluent in one language, can I be a member in Nawasena, or you have to fluent in 4 language?
No, we don't have to. Even if we want to join the English class itself, we don't have to be fluent at first because one of the Nawasena's intention is like for us to growing together, like the skills.
Okay. Because it's the tension is to growing together. What
Yeah.
about the tutor? Who's gonna teach you guys?
Yeah, there's dipilih ya.
Oh,
Tapi
okay.
sekarang for like this period
We're
masih
looking
bingung. Yeah, we're looking for.
Okay. Especially I mean like in Japanese and Korean, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be hard to
Yeah.
looking for the tutor.
Yeah.
I mean untuk nyari orang yang expert aja kan agak lumayan PR ya.
So how you running your organization, especially in other language like a Korean or Japanese, when you doing your activity? Kalau bahasa Inggris kan mungkin teman-teman juga masih bisa saling mengajari ya karena
Yeah.
umum gitu bahasa Inggris. Tapi kalau kayak Korea, kayak Jepang itu gimana tuh bikin aktivitasnya gimana?
Kita apa ya?
Apa?
Suka selingin outdoor sambil kayak
Apa
watching movie together.
Okay.
Using their culture
Yeah.
gitu.
Oke. Sebenarnya ini menarik ya. Jadi
Menarik.
artinya nggak harus belajar itu dari native gitu.
So actually maybe because their goal is growing together and they
Yeah.
can learn from each other, right?
Yeah.
Learning
Yeah.
together.
So
Learning
I think
together.
Nawasena is a bit looks like I can speak.
Yeah.
Ya nggak sih? Jadi,
Similar.
yeah, similar with I can speak because we don't have to be a fluent, but we can grow up together.
Yes.
By the activity.
Yeah, by the activity, the people also.
Okay. And then how many routinity activity that you ever held in Nawasena?
Oh, so Nawasena itself have a weekly courses. We can say it maybe like every Saturday, sometimes, yeah. And then we also held some events, yeah.
Okay, can you explain what kind activity like maybe event or exhibition or like what?
Maybe like for weekly courses, we are doing it indoor sometimes and outdoor sometimes. And then for like the events, we sometimes have like fun games and stuff that's still related to Nawasena itself.
Okay.
I love to join the fun game actually.
Yeah.
Karena kurang hiburan ya.
Because you always want to fun fun situation.
Yeah,
You don't want
yeah,
to thinking
of
hard.
course, of course.
Yeah, I don't want to think hard about it ya. Tapi soal Nawasena sendiri, how many division that you guys have?
Division four
Four
languages.
Oh, so each language have their own division.
Yes,
Yes.
their own classes.
But
okay, okay.
in di pengurus ada 4 juga.
Oh, jadi
Yeah,
setiap
4 divisi.
ada 4 divisi, jadi di setiap divisinya ada 4 pengurusnya juga di bawahnya.
Iya.
gitu.
Iya.
Oh, oke. Ini menarik sekali. Berarti emang tersusun secara rapi juga ya.
Lumayan.
Lumayan.
Nawasena is organized, I guess.
Organized.
Yeah, because we have four language divisions and like setiap kelas bahasanya itu ada penanggung jawabnya sendiri-sendiri. Kayak Ria penanggung jawab kelas bahasa Inggris, ada lagi yang Jepang dan Korea gitu. Terus dari 4 ini aku yang mengetuai gitu, aku koordinatornya gitu.
Actually, what is the most interesting about join this Nawasena group or organization?
I think for me personally, what's the most interesting is because the people are so very supportive. They're very
Yeah.
supportive. Yeah, kayak I've never seen people in Nawasena became so judgmental and stuff. They're so fun. So listen each other and
Okay.
like correct each other. Terus kayak ada yang memang suka ngoreksi dan yang dikoreksi pun kayak not easily get offended gitu. Kayak malah thank you ya for correction and stuff. Yeah, that's what's the most interesting karena sometimes I guess a lot of people out there are feeling are adapting themselves to talk in English because they're so afraid what our people think about my pronunciation and stuff. Yeah,
okay.
but Nawasena's people don't do that. We're really supportive to each other.
So Nawasena, what is it? Have a roles like a partner too, like a listener
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, Nawasena is also my partner to
To improve your
to
English.
improve my English.
Yeah.
But I mean like all of the member have a different level on about understanding English.
Yeah.
Yes,
They're gonna
of
have a
course.
different level. How you guys to manage it? I
Oh,
mean, like,
jadi sebelum kita ada recruitment, kita tuh nentuin level, levelnya itu
Iya.
juga dari interview itu. Jadi nanti kelasnya
ukur
tuh
ability
berbeda.
juga ya
Oh,
karena
okay.
for English class division itself itu we have two class
Yes.
like two different class we
okay,
have the
okay.
beginner one and advanced one.
Okay. For a student in one semester, can they join with you guys in
Yes,
Nawasena?
of
Yes, of
course.
course.
After the open recruitment.
Okay, so there is no rules about what semester.
No,
that
no,
they
no,
join.
no, we
Okay,
don't.
not only freshmen who accepted, but all of the semester are welcome.
Yeah.
Iya.
Mau semisal udah semester 6 pun
Iya.
Boleh.
Mau.
Join
Boleh.
aja ya,
Boleh.
doing screening join aja.
Oke,
Boleh.
kalau secara akademis kira-kira ada benefit apa sih kalau join di Nawasena? Maybe you get a specific or special like certificate or special grade or mark from your lecture.
Oh,
Let me go first.
Okay.
yes,
For me,
go on.
hal paling big impactnya ke aku tuh I become more brave to speak.
Confident.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And honestly, I got so many relation there. Yeah.
Okay, I mean relation is the most important
Yeah,
thing. I mean
for
like
me, it's
college
important.
life,
Now.
it's not only about getting new knowledge,
Yes.
but
Yeah.
also knowing
Getting
a lot
new
of people.
friends,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. So the benefit is not only about the paper or certificate,
Yeah.
but also how influence you to
Yes.
practicing your English skill. Oke, menarik ya. Jadi
Iya.
mungkin buat pesona Inspira yang pengen nih anak-anaknya ya untuk belajar bahasa Inggris, ternyata sekarang tuh belajar bahasa Inggris tuh bisa lewat organisasi kayak gini juga.
Yes,
Yeah.
there's so many ways.
Let's
So-
join us.
Jangan lupa kuliah plus ngaji ke Unsur.
Ya aja.
also need a promotion. Maybe someday I will ask about the bill.
Ya karena kalau mau ikut Nawasena ya
Harus unsik.
Harus unsik dong, boleh masuk.
Boleh masuk. Oke, habis ini Iqbal jadi endorsement ya.
Tolong dong, saya mau jadi itu PKKMB.
Boleh.
Soon.
boleh. Nah ini kali ini I'm gonna ask about the Nawasena Club. I mean like there are 4 languages.
Yes.
Is the schedule have the same kayak di hari yang sama at the same day or they have a different day?
Maybe like at the same day every Saturday we could say, but like for the timing,
okay.
yeah, we will manage the time.
Okay, but it's gonna be hard for maybe someone who join more than one language. Oh.
Yeah, they're one of my friend. Yeah, they're one of my friend that joining English and Korean also. But like sometimes because peminatnya yang Korea sama Jepang juga kayak it's not as much as English. Jadi kadang kalau memang terlalu sedikit kan kadang di nggak adain juga dulu kelasnya semacam libur dulu. Nah dia bisa ikut yang English dulu gitu.
What is the main reason actually people used to join Nawasena? I mean like I'm gonna join Nawasena because I want to fluent in English or I want to make a lot of friends. What is the most reason they use to join?
Or maybe I won't join the Nawasena because I have one crush there.
You never know.
No, for me.
Maybe we never know.
I see one code from Ridwan to
It's a real study case.
Cepu nih.
What is the most reason?
For me, honestly, I'm just looking for partner to speaking English, not only in the class. Yeah, so jadi aku tuh
So
pengen
outside
nyari
the class juga you
pengen
can
kayak
talk.
nyari yang di luar kelas gitu.
Okay. But I mean about Ridwan, you're from informatic engineering, right?
Yes.
So you're not basically on FPS.
No.
So what is the reason you choose Nawasena like after all of the UKM there?
Awalnya dulu lihat I see people who fluent language is wow, it's cool. Jadi kayaknya join oke deh.
Jadi join gitu.
Yeah. Tapi ya walaupun kesini masih juga belajar.
Masih belajar.
Yeah.
But actually I agree with Ridwan and also Ria because back then I also in informatic engineering. It's so hard to looking for someone who can talk in English with me. Because also sometimes when I'm talking in English, even in English class, we also have English class.
Yeah,
we also have English class. But when we talking with my friends in English class, they try to mocking with me like they're making fun of me.
Indonesian culture the
Sok banget. Padahal situasinya itu adalah di kelas bahasa Inggris. And it's totally fine to talk English in English class, right?
Yes.
So I'm looking for
That's
like
normal.
some space for me to talk in English to learn. Maybe looking for someone who can teach my pronunciation, something like that. Jadi nyari partner ngomong itu emang sesusah itu.
Yes, agree.
Apalagi kalau emang kayak Ridwan kayak gitu yang lingkungannya adalah bukan
Not
anak-anak
English student,
gitu, bahasa Inggris kan. Emang itu susah banget.
Bahasa Python sih.
Waduh.
Informatik.
Oke. Tapi Ridwan udah merasa ada perubahan nggak di diri kamu pas udah gabung di Nawasena?
Oh, banyak. It's many improve for me. It's like public speaking. Sangat leverage for me. And ya itu tadi kayak partner kita sangat brave di Nawasena.
Confident, more confident.
Okay, so do you think that your what is it like vocabulary becomes add or increase?
Iya, mungkin kayak vocabnya apa?
Lebih banyak.
Jadi udah ada tambahan ilmu baru ya, begitu gabung di Nawasena ya. Nggak cuma nomor-nomor HP cewek ya. Aduh. Biasanya kalau kayak gitu yang nambah tuh nomor HP temen kan.
Itu salah satu efek samping.
Bisa side quest sih.
Benefit nggak sih?
Side benefit.
Side quest.
Oke. Terus ini kalau gabung di Nawasena, biasanya pernah nggak jadwalnya bentrok sama kuliah?
I've never been. Ya, karena kebetulan juga Nawasena is on weekend. So.
Ya, jarang juga ya siapa yang mau ngambil kelas weekendnya.
Mostly student in Universitas Sains Al-Quran juga banyak yang jadwal just Monday to Thursday.
Monday to Thursday.
Friday
Tuesday
and
to
Saturday.
Friday. Free.
You're so good. I mean, when you fails or facing the working time, you can choose only Sunday up to Thursday or up to Friday, but you all guys can relax your time in Friday, Saturday, and in the weekend. I mean, jadi artinya sebenarnya waktu kalian memang luas untuk bisa berorganisasi.
Yeah. Agree.
Okay.
Maybe it's because we make our own schedule, right? Like in the beginning of the semester, we make our own schedule. I mean, like there's a lot of mata kuliah yang bisa kita ambil. Kayak misalnya zaman dulu kayaknya aku yang bisa diambil pagi akan aku ambil pagi semua, and then kayak karena udah diambil pagi jam 12 yang emang udah nggak ngapa-ngapain.
Ya, itu dia.
Kadang ada beberapa hari like back then I also do a part-time job. Jadi kayak aku menghindari mata kuliah di hari-hari tertentu. I can make my own schedule, so kayaknya waktu bukan salah satu halangan buat ikut berorganisasi sih kayaknya.
Benar-benar ya. Jadi karena emang udah tertarik ini ya. Jadi akhirnya ya udah mau waktunya kapan aja gabung gitu. Oke. Mungkin ada nggak pengalaman? Maybe you have any experience or story when you join in Nawasena? You have any funny story or maybe like a silly story
During activities or
doing
whatever.
activities?
Yeah, I have one. So, belum lama ini, like accidentally, we like having outdoor
class. I also think about that. Oh my god.
And then we accidentally like met a native speaker from
native speaker.
England.
Okay. Then
Jadi mereka tuh kayak random aja di
Random
jalan
people,
gitu,
ya.
random people di jalan gitu, terus kita ajakin buat gabung sama kita gitu,
Can you
ngobrol-ngobrol.
come join us?
Terus dan mereka mau gitu.
my God.
Wow.
Padahal like random people nemu di
Random
alun-alun.
people gitu.
okay.
Mbak Vera sama Mas Angga yang nemu di alun-alun.
Okay, so you hunting foreign people.
No, it's apa ya?
Accidentally. Oh,
Accidentally.
Kan kayaknya lagi
Sengaja.
beli jajan gak sih? Ya.
Beli
Mbak Vera
jajan.
sama Mas Angga di sekitaran alun-alun gitu, and then they saw native, so kayak kejar-kejar itu tuh.
Oke. Wow. Itu agak unik juga sih.
Iya,
unik.
kita juga yang di tempat kaget ya.
Kayak kaget gitu.
Hah, nggak ada
banget
briefingan
ini
nih ya.
ngomong sama native.
And they're from England, right?
Yes.
Yes, Declan and siapa ya?
Declan and
Sophie kayaknya. Sophie.
So they're using a British accent.
Yes. Oh my god.
Rather, the most amazing thing is rather you accidentally found them in the road is how to understand a British accent, because until right now, even though some of my friends who native in English, even though they're Indonesian but they're native in English, they choose a British accent rather than American accent. It's so hard to understand about what they're saying. Itu pun orang Indonesia yang memang belajar bahasa Inggris tapi mereka memilih untuk pakai aksen British. Apalagi yang orang Britishnya langsung. I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it hard for you guys to understand them?
For me, not really, because I have a friend who speak British very fluent, so I just get used to talk to him. So not really.
Okay,
It's
because
really
you what is it like
Already-
openly
okay,
heard
yeah.
about
Yeah.
English accent, British accent, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what are you guys doing with the native speaker?
We're just
Like
talking
together.
just like Q&A session.
Are they feeling weird? Like suddenly I'm become an interview person, something like that? Kayak tiba-tiba di interview gitu.
Enggak sih, more like ngobrol santai aja ya waktu
Oh,
itu.
okay.
It's like Mbak
Low
Vera,
profile.
ayo ada questions gitu.
Oh,
It's like we are sharing life karena mereka juga traveler ya kayaknya.
Ah,
They travel around the
okay.
world. Jadi kayak tanya-tanya sebelum kesini kemana, dari mana, habis ini mau kemana gitu.
Oh, okay. Have you ever scheduled it to do maybe hunting another foreign, maybe
Ya. Maybe
in
ya.
Jakarta?
Because Nawasena sometimes
Sudah.
so random.
Maybe you should going to what is it like international objek wisata internasional
Tourism spot.
Tourism spot to hunting the
Iya
native
sih,
speaker
banyak
random.
kayaknya ya.
Ya, lebih banyak lagi ketemu di sana. Tapi ngomongin soal what is it diction, British diction, accent, when we talking about British accent, we cannot hear R.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
when people say water, but in
Water.
water,
Yeah, water. Even the T and the R is not obvious.
Yeah.
So smooth.
So I can't
Slightly.
really hear them.
Yeah.
It's just so weird. Like I have one experience when I do because of this aku kan juga pernah ikut UKM bahasa. Back then in my era it's called UKM bahasa. Jadi waktu zaman dulu we did hunting foreign. Jadi kayak we're looking for some foreign from other country di Candi Borobudur. As
banyak
always.
tuh, banyak
always.
Nah, karena itu kan salah satu tempat wisata yang memang agak cukup terkenal di karangan turis-turis asing. And the weird thing is kita itu disuruh untuk berpartner. Jadi memang agak sulit untuk berpartner dan my partner is like a random person, like I don't even know him back then. But it's the most funniest things that I ever did. Jadi karena sebenarnya kan kalau hunting turis kan harusnya dengan seseorang yang kita percaya gitu kan. There's a one time that I try to approach one of the foreigners, but my partner says enggak lah, jangan, malu. Iya gitu kan, kayak janganlah malu. Let's do it later. After this, let's looking for someone else who look younger than that, something like that. Karena dia kelihatan orang tua terus kayak tidak komunikatif dan dia agak takut kan untuk mendeketinnya.
Keburu takut duluan gitu ya.
And I think I have the same experience with Iqbal.
Yeah, I have some too. I have the same experience too. Okay,
when I was in junior high school, like kita tuh kayak punya English club gitu kan. Ya terus kita ke Candi Borobudur.
I know. It's always right there.
Always right there.
But I have another spot.
Okay.
Ya jadi ya sama kayak Iqbal tuh kayak apa ya, kayak rebutan gitu kayak gak mau, aku malu lagi gini gitu.
Dan itu sering terjadi
like
loh.
Gitu.
I remember my experience when I was in senior high school and I never joined English club. And back then I'm going to Bali as a study trip.
Bali.
Yeah. And I feel like I want to speaking English. I wanna try just to say can you taking me photo? Cuma mau ngomong gitu doang. Iya, template banget ya.
Simple act.
Bisa nggak sih fotoin aku dan and I really gather my energy, gather my confidence, and I say it to one of bule. And then after I say this and the bule give me positive response, I feel like so proud with myself. Even I just only say one sentence. Jadi tuh kayak benar-benar itu kayak bangga banget, cuma ngomong bisa nggak fotoin aku kayak gitu. Dan itu pakai bahasa Inggris cuma satu kalimat, terus pas si bulenya ngomong yes I can, please making a post gitu, itu udah kayak wow aku
I'm so good at this.
Padahal itu hal sepele tapi ini banget ya, bisa berpengaruh sama rasa percaya diri kita.
Iya,
gitu.
English is for me it's English itself is gives a big impact for our confidence gitu. Karena kayak gitu tadi sekalimat aja we feel like we're cool, we're good at this, right? Yeah.
And I have another experience too when I was in 2014 maybe when I was still working in Jakarta. I have one friend that she has like a lover of fiance from England, and I'm talking about and I'm conversation with her fiance, but I cannot really understand what he said because he has British accent.
Must be.
But he really understand what I say. But I cannot give him many respon because abis aku ngomong dia respon, terus abis kayak gitu aku nggak paham lagi karena pas ngerespon kan udah pakai jadi aku tuh udah nggak paham lagi, tapi aku ngerasa kayak wah ternyata orang-orang mereka tuh ternyata welcome juga loh kalau kita mau berusaha ngobrol sama mereka kayak gitu. Itu menariknya sih untuk belajar bahasa Inggris, ternyata itu juga gitu.
Yeah. Maybe because we usually talking English with an Indonesian person, with Indonesian people, it's gonna feels different talking English with an English actual person.
Speaker gitu ya.
Kan pasti rasanya experience-nya beda banget. Karena kalau kita bingung kan, at least kalau kita ngomong sama teman-teman kita ya udahlah keluarin bahasa Indonesianya aja. Tapi kalau memang ngomong sama native speaker kan nggak ada cara lain. That's the only way.
Yeah, and sometimes when we talking about and when we get a conversation with Indonesian people who speaking English, they have a like Indonesian pattern. But when we talking about with a native speaker that's really coming from another country, they have a like English pattern. Kayaknya kayak orang Indonesia tuh pola bahasa Inggris Inggrisnya itu
Accentnya,
enggak
accent
bikin
Indonesia.
kalimatnya itu tuh kalimat
Indo banget,
Indo
iya,
banget
aspek
gitu.
Kak Indo, ya.
Bener kan
I see.
maksudnya?
Ya. Because we have been also learning about tenses, simple
Yeah.
present tense ya, so ya
Oke.
polanya udah sama gitu.
Itu juga yang salah satu bikin kita deg-degan kalau mau ngobrol sama native
Ya,
karena
mikirin
pattern
itu,
sentence-nya
mikirin
itu beda.
pattern.
Mikirin
Gitu.
grammarnya juga.
Iya. Padahal they just speaking though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do agree. Like Indonesia have an Indonesian pattern because have you
Yeah.
ever watched an IELTS test?
Yeah.
IELTS conversation.
Uh-huh.
I'm so amazed with them because somehow when they're asked about some question, they can answer it with a very long sentence. It's so amazing. Just because they're asking, "Are you a morning person?" It's usually just yes, I'm a morning person. I usually wake up at 6 or maybe at
Yeah.
7. That's it. The answer could be just like that. But at IELTS, that's gonna be like, I'm not usually a morning person because I usually not
berkembang
sleep early.
jawabannya.
Jadi kayak ada
Ya.
pattern yang bukan Indonesia banget
Iya,
gitu loh.
kayak ada semacam kalimat kiasan juga ya kalau di
Iya,
sana
iya.
yang mengartikan artinya mungkin sama tapi mereka jawabannya itu dengan kalimat berbeda.
Yeah, they
gitu.
also have slang languages
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah. I try to learn slang language. It is
Yeah.
so many of them.
Yeah, many of
Idiom
them.
juga nggak sih?
Idiom.
Itu menarik ya. Menarik sekaligus bikin deg-degan kalau nggak terbiasa ngobrol sama native
Yes.
gitu. Kalau
Exactly.
Nawasena berarti ngobrol sama native tadi dari hasil hunting. Pernah nggak
Iya.
yang benar-benar ngundang gitu?
Belum sih, maybe apa
Di
gimana?
tahun 2002 biasanya ada kayak tamu gitu. Terakhir ada 2003.
No, the last time is in my area. There's also from where is it? Norwegia or something, New Zealand or whatever, something like that. She's the one. I kind of forget about her name, but she's younger than me.
Oh,
She's so much younger than me, but she's taller than me.
Mas David was styling with me.
So pada angkatan itu adalah hal yang membuat banyak orang tertarik adalah biasanya kan setelah kita gabung suatu organisasi kayak ada masa keakraban gitu-gitu kan. Nah itu di masa keakrabannya langsung undang bule kebetulan karena bulenya itu lagi stay di Wonosobo terutama di Kalibeber. And the most interesting thing is even though she's not a Muslim, every time she's in Kalibeber Wonosobo she's always wearing a hijab.
Wow.
Even though she's not Muslim.
Respectful.
No, she's feel embarrassing because all of the woman in there is wearing a
Pakai
hijab.
kan, ya.
She's gonna feel weird because all of the people wearing it and I'm not wearing it.
Ya, beda sendiri.
Yeah. I do remember
I
that.
see.
Oke, malah Iqbal jadi yang punya pengalaman ya.
Iya, kebetulan-
Padahal nggak gabung Nawasena ya.
Aku dulu gabung
Oh,
waktu
dulu
belum
kamu
Nawasena.
gabung. Oh, oke.
Iya. Aku salah satu member dulu.
Dulu berarti kamu Nawacita kali ya, bukan?
Dulu nawa-nawa.
I also haven't experienced though, but like outside the Nawasena, so Unsik also has a community named Behave. Behave, yeah, and then pas itu ada visit juga dari International Undergraduate Program for
yeah,
Universitas Gajah Mada, ya, they are majoring in anthropology. Terus mereka visit ke Unsik dan itu yang apa namanya kita Behave ya, we had an event with them. Itu ada yang dari Republik Ceko, terus Slovakia, mana sih?
Ya, pokoknya
Something
Ya
like
itu.
that.
Lupa. Iya, terus itu around 3-4 orang ya. Ya, and we're just talking with them. Jadi kayak di hari pertama itu kita ada seminar ya, semacam itu ya. Talk show
Talk show.
ya,
Iya,
which
talk show.
mereka jadi kayak guest star-nya gitu, and like yang memandu Miss Niken. Dan after that besokannya Behave yang punya event itu kita nge-games with them like tongue twister and
Oh,
stuff.
tongue twisted. I hate
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one. But I think not long ago, like maybe years ago or maybe 2 years ago, there's a student from Bangkok, Thailand, also come to Unsik, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see
After
the promotion
COVID?
video. I see the promotion video that what is it? The contents is mahasiswa from Thailand,
Thailand.
Bangkok,
Yeah.
Thailand.
Oh, that could be my classmate.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, she's a girl.
Yeah, she's a girl.
Yeah, a girl.
Because one time I ate at one specific place at Kalibeber, and it's a bit
Kalibeber.
funny. It's a bit funny. I'm eating my food, right? And then one of my friends that I know kayak menemani si orang dari Thailand itu kan. And there's a lot of menu in Indonesian language, right? Karena menunya kan pasti nggak ada yang bahasa Inggris kan.
Yeah.
Of
Iya
course.
dong,
Of course
iya
there's
dong.
no English menu. It's gonna be one specific menu. Jadi si temenku ini pesen namanya ada orak-arik telur.
Terus?
Jadi si cewek yang dari Thailand ini nanya ke temanku, what did you order? I order something like scrambled egg, something like that. What is gonna look like? Do you trust me? Yes, I trust you. Just order the thing that I order. Something like that. Jadi karena
Samain aja.
Samain aja. Jadi karena dia juga confused how to describe the
Explain,
menu,
ya.
gitu kan. Jadi yaudahlah, kamu percaya nggak sama aku? Ya, I do believe you. Jadi yaudahlah, samain aja pesenannya gitu. And then she's become like center of the interest back then. Karena emang the way she's talking it's so different with us.
Yeah.
The way she's
Yeah.
talking. And then I'm a bit curious about when you're talking with English but not with an English person but not also Indonesian. I mean like
Iya,
Bangkok, Thailand.
Iya.
It's gonna
Like
be
India,
different.
Yeah.
English India kan beda
Accent
juga
juga
ya.
beda
Accent
juga
kan kayak
kayak acak-acak.
Iya kan itu berarti tahun kalian juga.
What you gonna do? Medok.
Medok India.
Medok India.
Berarti waktu yang Thailand itu tahunnya kalian juga.
Yeah, it's my classmate.
Oh, okay,
so
okay.
yeah, she's my classmate, and like she has her own accent. Then like also when she pronounce a word or like a sentence, it's quite hard to understand juga karena kayak beda gitu loh. Kalau misal kalau misalnya dia berbahasa Indonesia kan lumayan bisa karena similar with Melayu language, right? Jadi kalau misalnya dia ngomong apa terus aku agak nggak ngerti terus aku kayak what is it in Indo? Terus misal dia ngomong Indonesianya terus aku this one gitu. Cuma pronounce-nya kayak how she pronounce English and how we pronounce is so
different,
far away. Ya, jauh banget. Nggak mirip gitu loh. Jadi kayak lo nggak mirip gitu.
But how what is it like? How about the level of her English skill?
Iya.
Because dia juga apa ya, she's studying English, so because she is not a native juga kan.
Oke.
Ya, so dia juga masih sering ketinggalan juga sometimes karena kayak apalagi pronounce dosen ya. Pronounce dosen using our culture gitu loh, Japanese people stuff.
I can understand that.
Yeah, and like sometimes if she sit next to me, there's gonna be a lot of questions from her. Kayak what did he say? What did he say? Ngomong apa sih gitu loh. Terus aku yang ini dia ngomong maksudnya kayak gini gitu. Dan sometimes dosen kan kadang ngomong tuh yang apa ya, ngomong materi dan after that assignment sometimes gitu kan. Nah, she is often be confused yang mana sih yang ngomong materi, yang mana tugasnya tuh yang mana gitu loh. So kayak tiba-tiba kalau misal udah mepet deadline atau udah lewat deadline dan dia belum ngumpulin terus misal dia ditagih gitu terus malah nanya ke teman-teman gitu, emang ada tugas ya lah yang kemarin itu. Sometimes just a funny story, jadinya lucu aja sih. Sama sometimes agak kasihan ya. Apalagi kalau misal ini di grup kelas we use Japanese though. She cannot understand.
I get it.
And I also have like fun experience last night. So I practice my English speaking in like online web.
Oh yeah.
It's for free, and I met someone from India.
Okay.
India aku bayang banget.
His his accent is so difficult to understand because he using his accent.
Yeah,
Jadi kayak agak-agak nyanyi kali ya ini ya.
I don't really understand what you say. Can you repeat again?
Iya itu
Like that.
I love Indonesia.
Yeah, like they have like kayak lebih ditekan gitu.
Iya,
kan.
cengkoknya beda gitu.
Apalagi kalau di informatika kita nyari tutorial kan. Iya kan, bener nggak?
I do relate with that. I do really relate with that. Like a lot of tutorial have not in Indonesian. Sometimes like from which country who made a tutorial, so we need to understand an English very specifically. Karena ada beberapa bahasa-bahasa yang tutorialnya tuh nggak ada di bahasa Indonesia gitu kan.
A
Jadi kita
lot of
harus-
people in India
Iya,
is
India.
expert informatika
Iya,
kan.
bener.
Mau nggak mau ngerti ya.
Iya. Kayak
Sangat
ya gitu.
Mengerti karena dipaksa.
Dipaksa.
Karena mau nggak mau harus ngerti, akhirnya jadi ngerti gitu. Oke, menarik. Tapi ini kita udah ini banget nih Bal. Udah ngobrolnya udah panjang, kayaknya butuh hiburan dulu. Mungkin kita akan balik lagi setelah lagu sama komersial break berikut ini. Jadi Pesona Inspira, don't go anywhere. I can speak. Yes, Pesona Inspira, we still coming back in I Can Speak program, and now we have already run out of time, and we still have about 5 minutes. And because of we have already talking about Nawasena and how to studying English, so maybe you guys, do you have any statement or maybe advice for Pesona Inspira who wants to increase their English ability?
Or maybe you just want to share about the Nawasena activity or to join with Nawasena to ask all of the audience. gitu.
Yeah. Okay.
So I recommend you who's wanna improve your foreign language, especially, and you study in University of Science Al Quran Wonosobo. You have to join us because in this organization, like apa ya, kita benar-benar punya aktivitas yang fun deh buat apa ya,
Untuk memprovide itu ya.
that's true.
Oke, ini promosi lagi ya?
Boleh.
Nggak apa-apa, boleh. Selanjutnya Nanda mungkin ada pesan yang mau disampaikan?
Kalau dari aku, I will highly recommended, promosi lagi. I will highly recommended untuk join Nawasena karena kayak it really give a big impact for students' life, especially English student. Terus aku mau bilang apa ya tadi? Oh ya, and mungkin sedikit sneak peek ya untuk event-event Nawasena ke depan. We have a lot of fun events forward gitu. Kita nanti kayak kemungkinan akan ada habis open recruitment pasti ada kayak semacam makrab dulu gitu ya, outdoor classes. Terus di akhir tahun biasanya we will have language party sama apa lagi ya? Oh, yang terakhir ada pekan media gitu.
Oke.
Sneak peeknya segitu dulu, and mungkin pesan sedikit ya for like whoever yang mencoba untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Kenapa kegiatan tersebut dikatakan belajar? That means we don't have to be fluent at first, but just be confident and trust yourself. That's it.
Oke, just confident and trust yourself. Oke, the main point beside promotion, pesan.
Ayo, Ridwani sekarang.
Oke, Ridwani.
Oke, aku sangat rekomendasiin untuk kalian join ya.
Promosi
Gak
lagi.
hanya bahasa aja di Nawasena, kita juga terkenal dengan konten kita yang beda dari yang lain. This organization is very fun.
Yes.
Okay. Before Valia will give a statement, I remember about our one of co-host that ever visit our room studio. He is in birthday moment today. So I wanna say happy birthday for Firman. Ya, selamat ulang tahun untuk Firman ya, bener ya?
Siapa itu Firman?
Jadi salah satu penyiar tamu di I Can Speak, ada yang lagi ulang tahun, selamat ulang tahun. Dan makasih tadi udah sempat main juga ke Radio Pesona. Untuk Pesona Inspira yang mungkin lagi ulang tahun pengen disalamin juga kapan-kapan boleh loh gabung aja di chatnya kita. Tapi saat ini Valia mau ngasih tahu kalau for anyone who wants to increasing or improving your English skill ability, you can get from other ways. There are so many ways to increase our ability skill or English skill, and one of them is joining the same circle or the same group that have same goals to improve our English. Like one of them is Nawasena. Kembali lagi habis ini dapat banyak nih ya. Cuan gak nih ya? Oke, selanjutnya mungkin Iqbal.
If you're a college student at the University of Science Quranic and struggling learning in English, hard to looking for a partner who can talk in English, start a conversation in English language, just join Nawasena because you're gonna find a lot of friends who's super fun,
and supportive,
of course, and a lot of activity that can provide you to learn a lot of language.
The main important, you have anyone to practice with. Jadi akhirnya bisa sering untuk belajar lebih banyak lagi gitu, karena ada temennya gitu ya. Okay, akhirnya finally we have to say goodbye for all Pesona Inspira who heard our broadcasting program, and of course don't be sad because our program I Can Speak can be held every Monday.
Every Monday.
Not Sunday. Every Monday afternoon. Okay.
And also don't forget to streaming our broadcasting online through our link website di pesonafm.wonosobo.co.id. You also can watch our video on YouTube at Pesona FM Wonosobo, and don't forget always listen to us.
Okay, finally I'm Valia.
I'm Iqbal Santosa.
I'm Nanda.
I'm Ria.
I'm Ridwan Video.
Kami pamit undur diri.
Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See